6 minus 4 times 6 minus 4. Now someone might solve this problem like this. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Multiply, and we get 4. But this would be incorrect. Let's try again. Before we solve a problem like this, we have to understand the order of operations, or PEMDAS. PEMDAS just lets us know that when we solve a problem like this, we need to start with parentheses, then handle the exponents, then multiply and divide, then add and subtract. So in this problem, the first order of operation, or the priority, is the parentheses. So we go here to 6 minus 4, and we get 2. We'll bring the rest of the problem down. The next piece in this problem is the multiplication. 4 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. And then finally, we will subtract 6 and 8. The answer here is -2. The answer to our problem today is -2.